Introducing Cyborg, the next generation Azeron keypad, with incredible level of ergonomic adjustment.
Cyborg has advanced towers with even deeper adjustability, which lets you play with comfort.
Cyborg has 24 to 29 programmable buttons. Keys can be set up as keyboard, controller, mouse buttons or as macro. You can adjust the buttons upward or sideways. Cyborg is equipped with a new advanced thumbstick. You can lift it lower or sideways to make gameplay even smoother and comfortable. You can even choose thumbstick with 5-way D-pad or regular thumbstick.
You can choose between two palm rest types, flat and curved. It also has onboard memory.
Cyborg is easy to use and genuinely improves your gaming. Number 2 is Padrone Ring. The Padrone Ring magically gives your fingers the power to use your desk as a giant touchpad. It works on a desk or on any somewhat hard surface. The ring is worn on index finger of the left hand or right hand. As soon as your index finger touches the table, the mouse pointer starts following your fingertip. Tap your index finger on the table for left click. Tap your middle finger on the table for right click. Move your index finger and middle finger simultaneously up or down for scrolling. You can connect the ring with any Bluetooth-enabled PC, Mac, Windows tablet or Android device via Bluetooth.
Number 3 is Oppo Air Glasses.
The groundbreaking AR device. It is equipped with self-developed Spark micro projector, finished with cutting-edge micro LED and 5 high-transparency glass lenses, delivers a great AR experience. It can be operated using the Smart Glass app on Oppo Watch 2 and any Oppo smartphone installed with Color OS 11 or above versions. It also supports 4 intuitive methods of interaction: touch, voice, hand motions and head movements. Oppo Air Glasses is installed with a variety of applications including weather, calendar, health, teleprompter, translation and navigation.
It supports 2 display modes, 16-level grayscale and 256-level grayscale, and can deliver up to 1400 nits in average brightness, ensuring a vivid and sharp visual display in different lighting conditions. Number 4 is Muzen Cybershell. Muzen Cybershell is a mechanical true wireless stereo speaker. Cybershell's battery is made of zinc alloy metal structure that adds a virtual and futuristic touch to the design. It provides excellent sound with extra deep bass and ultra-low latency. Cybershell is waterproof and dustproof. Its long battery life provides 10 hours playing time with USB Type-C fast charging. Its RGB lights make it immerse yourself in virtual reality. Muzen Cybershell brings you a unique listening audio experience in daily life.
Number 5 is Mini Helicopter UFO.
This is a UFO unmanned aerial vehicle without remote sensing.
It has flexible mesh barrier made by ABS material which is environment friendly and resistant to crash.
Start the aircraft.
Throw to make it fly. No need for remote operation. Simple and convenient. Infrared induction device is at the bottom and around it. It has the function of automatic avoidance. When encountering an obstacle at the bottom, it will rise automatically. Hand-sensing interactive aircraft. It can be played by many people. The grip turns over to stop flying. Click on its power button to switch into high-speed mode.
LED lights make it shine in the night sky.
USB charging safe and durable.
A flying fun.
UFO induction vehicle without remote sensing.